In today's video, we are going to see how to install the AWS CLI and configure it in our bootstrap server. So first we need to download the AWS CLI. So just copy the command from my blog and then go to your bootstrap server. So this is my bootstrap server. So let's re-log in. So currently if you see ls, we have these three file and folder. So now I'm going to download. So download completed. Now you can see one more zip file is there. So first we unzip it. So again let's go to the my blocks, and this is the command to unzip whatever we downloaded. So just copy it and paste it, then click on enter. It's showing unzip is not there, so let's install it. Yum install unzip. Press yes. So installation completed. Let's try once again. So now you can see the AWS folder is created. The file or all the file are unzipped. So to install it, we need to run the sudo dot aws install. So installation completed. Now we can check by the command AWS versions. So we can see the output. The our AWS CLI is installed. Thank you.